Which word means most nearly the same as indifferent? A. Analogous. B. Wandering. C. Dissimilar. D. Odd. Or E. Collateral. As indifferent means having no interest in something, let's try and locate the word whose meaning is most opposite to that. Taking a look at our choices, we can see that analogous, wandering, and collateral right off the bat have nothing to do with indifferent and can be marked off. Dissimilar is a false alarm. As the words similar and different are opposites, you might assume dissimilar and indifferent are opposites as well. But when we focus on the definitions of the words themselves and not their roots, we can see that the meanings are different. We are left with odd, which is not only our last option, but also a good opposite to indifferent, as one who's odd is by definition interested in whatever they're involved in. Based on this, we can mark D, odd, as our final answer.